Join us as we take a deep dive into video_topic. We are going to cover everything you need to know. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. This first product is the DJI Mini 2, our pick for the best mini drone under $600. If you are looking to save some money while still getting a solid piece of equipment, the DJI Mini 2 is an excellent choice. The DJI Mini 2 combines great portability with a decent set of features into a hard-working little machine that can be carried anywhere, ready to put in work without missing a beat. For under $600, this is one of your best bets if you're looking for an ultra-portable all-rounder that supports 4K video capture and up to 10 km of OcuSync transmission. This allows such superior anti-interference capabilities that you will have no trouble taking off and filming simultaneously in places with high levels of interference or even filming in windy locations near water or cliffs. Its powerful performance allows for it to resist level 5 winds and take off at a max altitude of 4,000 meters, so your footage is stable even when flying along a windy coastline or high above an alpine forest. Quick Shots feature also makes it easier to produce professional-level videos by automatically recording and shooting videos with just a few taps on your phone. Finally, once you are done filming on location, simply pop it back into its carry case and head home. There's no need to worry about recharging before heading out again thanks to its 31-minute battery life limit per charge. This next product is the Syma X300. For the price, it has a very sleek black look to it that makes it a nice choice for someone who doesn't want to stand out too much. The quadcopter comes with 2 batteries for 40 minutes of flying time. It also has 3D flips that are fun to perform in open air, allowing you to do stunts and increase its durability at the same time. Finally, this quadcopter is easy to set up out of the box and can be used indoors or outdoors. The camera quality is not super high, but decent enough for 720p resolution to work in tandem with its FPV flight mode, giving you a more stable experience than using full auto mode alone. We wanted to pick another drone that is both less expensive and slightly more complex, while still being great for those who are just starting out. With the Holystone HS700D, you get a ton of value for a drone in its price range. For beginners and enthusiasts alike, this is a solid choice for anyone wanting to explore the world of drones without breaking the bank. The Holystone HS700D features an anti-shake camera that produces 4K video and can handle up to 50 mph winds. It has high-tech features that stand it apart from other drones in its price point. A 4K ISO anti-shake camera allows you to pull off epic fast-paced shots. A 90 adjustable camera with a 135 lens can capture a wide view of every precious moment. It lets you have almost unlimited viewing. If you are looking for something with more features that will give your footage an even greater cinematic quality, this may be the right choice for you. The 2 modular batteries allow up to 46 minutes of power per charge when all put together at once and are quite easy to carry around thanks again to their convenient carrying bag, making it perfect if you are on the go or want extended fun outside your house or off it. The next product we want to talk about is the Radclow Mini drone. At $50, you can't get a better drone if you are looking for quality on a budget. It has a camera that shoots 1080p and allows long-distance control with its app. You can connect your phone or iPad to the long-distance drones, and then you can stream footage on your GoPro without having to invest in an expensive action camera. The build of the drone is solid and does not feel like it will fall apart the first time it crashes into something. In addition, there are 2 batteries included with this quadcopter, so once one battery runs out you can just swap it out for the other. Finally, we like how they included an all-encompassing carrying case that makes travel super convenient with all of its accessories packed inside. The last product we want to talk about is the Ruko U11 Pro, our pick for the best propeller-driven drone under $200. For an extremely affordable price point, the Ruko U11 Pro offers some decent specs in a foldable body. This drone is all about portability, as it can be folded down into a carrying case that's no bigger than a briefcase. While it doesn't offer any groundbreaking features in terms of functionality or performance, its low price and incredibly fun flying capabilities make it the perfect first-time drone for those looking to get into the world of drones without breaking the bank. For under $150 you get a folding quadcopter with all of the essential features that make up a good beginner quadcopter, including headless mode and altitude hold. If you're just starting out as a budding drone pilot, there are few things more important than being able to quickly find your drone again if it gets out of visual range. The search function on this little guy will help immensely with this task by scanning an area for lost drones within an 800-meter radius before returning home and landing safely in just seconds. We're glad you watched our video about the top 5 drones and hope you found it helpful. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.